Bottom left there. Punch the face. Punch the face.
Ted is playing Wii boxing.
Guard your body. Guard your body. Tilt them inward. Hold them close to your booty and tilt them inward. Punch the body. Punch the body.
I don't think this is a traditional boxing stance, but...
Dodge your punches.
Don't punch the TV, though.
Or anything else in the house.
Fight! Fight? Wait, what was that?
You copied your beard, man. Get angry.
You bastard!
Is he breaking a sweat? Let's zoom in.
You can do uppercuts, too. You gotta get a little closer, though. Not in real life.
Don't punch the TV. Don't. Oh. Victory! Victory!